Good day everyone, I am Biaros Carl M. Sause from SBCS 1A. Today, we will learn about programming basics and fundamentals of programming, week number 5. Before we start, let's learn about learning objectives. First, discuss the different data types used in Java programming. Second, understand the variable declaration, identifiers, and keywords. Third, recognize the different Java keywords categorically. In this lesson, we have 6 different topics. We have parameter used in first Java project, basic syntax, Java keyword, Java identifiers, Java variables, data types in Java. Now, let's begin with the parameters used in first Java project. Class. Keywords is used to declare class in Java. Public keyword is unnecessary modify, which represents visibility. Static is a keyword. If declare any method as static, it is known as the static method. Void is the return type of method. Main represents the starting point of program. String args is used to command line argument. System out print is used to print a statement. Basic syntax. Case sensitively. Java is a case sensitive, which means identifier. Hello and hello. Would you have different meaning in Java? Class names. For all names, the first letter should be in uppercase. Several words are used to form a name of the class. Each inner word's first letter should be in uppercase. Example, class, my first Java class. Method's name. All methods' name should start with a lowercase letter. If several words are used to form the name of the method, then each inner word's first letter should be in uppercase. Example, public void, my method name. Program file. Name of the program file should exactly match the class name. Java keywords are also known as reserved word. Keywords are particularly words which acts as a key to a code. These are predefined words by Java, so it cannot be used as a variable or object name. Java identifiers. All Java components require names. Names used for classes, variables, and methods are called identifiers. All identifiers should be with a letter H, big A to say, or small a to say. Current characters, the $sign, or an underscore. After the character identifiers can have any combination of characters. A keyword cannot be used as an identifier. Most importantly, identifiers are case sensitive. Example, of legal identifiers: age, salary, underscore value, slash underscore 1, slash value. Example of illegal identifiers: 1, 2, 3, ABC, slash salary. Java variables. A variable is a container which holds the value while the Java program is executed. A variable is assigned with a data type. Variable is a name of memory location. There are three types of variables in Java: local, instance, and static. Local variables. Local variables are declared in a method constructors. A variable declared inside the body of the method is called local variable. Instance variable. A variable declared inside the class but outside the body of the method. Static variable. A variable which is declared as static and it cannot be local. Data types in Java. Data types specify the different size and value that can be stored in the variable. There are two types of data type in Java. Primitive data types. The primitive data type is include boolean, char, byte, short, int, long, float, and double. Non-primitive data type. The non-primitive data type include classes, interface, and arrays. Java primitive data types are the building blocks of data manipulation. These are the most basic data types available in Java language. There are 8 types of primitive data types. 1. Boolean data type. Byte data type. 3. Char data type. Number 4. Short data type. Number 5. Int data type. Number 6. Long data type. Number 7. Float data type. And number 8. Double data type. Boolean data type. The Boolean data type is used to store only two possible values, true and false. This data type is used for simple flags that drop true, false condition. Example: Boolean 1 equals false. Byte data type. The byte data type is an example of primitive data type. It is saying 8-bit signed to complement integer. Its value range lies between negative 128 to 127 inclusive. Its minimum value is negative 1.128 and maximum value is 127. Its default value is 0. Short data type. The short data type is a 16-bit signed to complement integer. Int data type. The int data type is a 32-bit signed to complement integer. Long data type. The long data type is a 64-bit to complement integer. Float data type. The float data type is a single precision 32-bit IEEE 74 floating. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye. Like, comment, and subscribe.